Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Knowledge 24. In this lecture, we will talk about sorting algorithm which is bubble sort. So firstly, we will see what is sorting. Sorting is a technique to arrange elements in ascending or descending order. There are many sorting algorithms like bubble sort, insertion sort, merge sort, heap sort, etc. But in this lecture, we will learn about bubble sort, which is very simple. So, what is bubble sort? Bubble sort is a simplest sorting algorithm that works by repeatedly swapping the adjacent element if they are in wrong order. Now, let's see the demonstration of bubble sort in Python. In this program, we have taken a list of 5 unsorted elements 2, 5, 12, 8 or 11. Then we will pass this list to bubble function. Here we are using list because list is a mutable data type. Now, bubble function is declared using the def keyword. Inside the definition of the function, firstly, we will calculate the length of the list using the len function and store the value in variable n. Then we will execute two nested loops. In the outer loop, the range is 0 to n minus 1 and the control variable is I. In the inner loop, the range is 0 to n minus I minus 1 and j is the control variable. Now inside the inner loop we will write if statement which will check the adjoining value in each passes. If the first value is greater than the second value, then we will swap the values. Otherwise the value remains unchanged. So this process is carried out for n minus 1 passes, which is done by outer for loop. Finally, all the elements are sorted in ascending order and we will print values of sorted elements using for loop. Now, after the execution of the program, the sorted array is in this sequence ascending order. So, this is the program regarding bubble sort. Thank you.